Cash App allows you to send money using a credit card, but it's important to understand how it works. First, you need to add your Visa, MasterCard, American Express, or Discover credit card to your Cash App account. You can add Visa, MasterCard, American Express, or Discover cards. After entering your card details, Cash App may place a small temporary charge for verification. To send money, tap the dollar icon, enter the recipient's cash tag or phone number, specify the amount, and choose your credit card as the funding source. Remember, payments are instantly deducted from your credit card limit and will appear on your statement as a Cash App transaction. Using a credit card on Cash App comes with a 3% fee for each payment. For example, sending $100 will cost you $103 total. Receiving money is free, but there are sending limits. Unverified users can send up to $1,000 daily, while verified accounts can send up to $7,500. Credit card payments are irreversible, so ensure you trust the recipient. Due to the fees and potential for debt, using a debit card is recommended for Cash App transactions. Cash App has improved security with two-factor authentication when adding a credit card. Integration with other services is growing, so credit card payments may become more integrated with other platforms.